Hello guys, my name is Varun Malhotra and I am currently pursuing MBA from IIM Kashipur. I've completed my bachelor's in business administration from Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce. I scored 99.12 percentile in CAT 2020. So the most common questions that were asked to me during my interviews were, tell me something about yourself, why MBA, what specialization do you want to pursue and why? What was your favorite subject during your undergraduation? Where do you see yourself in 5 to 10 years? And what are your strengths and weaknesses? It is of utmost importance to realize the fact that you are not just there to answer the questions that the interviewer is asking, but also driving the interview by yourself. Yes, you can help the interviewer in framing the next question. You have to be proactive in giving threats to the interviewer so that you are familiar with this next question. I will use an example to explain the logic behind this. For the question, what specialization? My inclination is towards marketing, but I did not just stop there because it would have left a wide arena of marketing management field for the interviewer to ask from. Instead, I used instances where the subject really piqued my interest. Likewise, stating one, my on-field experience of making approximately 700% profit during the college fete was a factor that helped me realize my proclivity towards marketing and sales. So by answering the question in this manner, I have given the interviewer a subtle direction to ask me about the 700% profit that I just mentioned. These answers have to be well prepared in advance. You need to be confident in your content and remember that your thought process should be well aligned. The first and the foremost thing that you should prepare before sitting for any of the interviews is tell me something about yourself. This question will prepare a roadmap for all the upcoming questions. My recommendation to all the MBA aspirants would be to take 1 to 3 days to prepare a list of all the achievements that they have achieved in the last 10 years or so. It is very important to note down even the smallest of the details. Remember that nothing you did was irrelevant. Then you will have to make up your story by connecting each of those dots, and it should be real and authentic. You can use this story to frame the first question of tell me something about yourself. You can use the story to extract the best points that will have a greater impact than the other points. Other general questions like why MBA, strengths and weaknesses, etc. will be an offshoot to the exercise that I just mentioned. Once your story is in place, it will be very easy to frame all these answers. Thank you.